Hey guys, welcome back to another video review. This time we're going to take a look at the new reformed Windstorm. Now, Windstorm was like my first aerial Autobot, and I didn't really like the looks so I just tried to redesign the least amount, like the original amount, or no, the original amount, yeah, sure, the original Windstorm. So, the only thing I really kept was the color scheme, which I kind of wanted to look like Bahatu, because this and this is like the only mask I have that's in this color. So as you can see that if you watch the old Windstorm review, this jet mode is very different. Has much more of like a standard kind of like narrow shape, except for I don't know, it looked more like a half circle. It looked more like a taco almost. You can see that it looks very different from the original, except it also looks different and transforms differently when you're in robot mode. So let's get to that. So first thing you need to do is take these, which are going to be the legs, fold them down. Oh, yeah, I'm just going to take this mask off for a minute. Camera up. Take these lower legs, fold them down both sides, and here's where it gets weird. You have to take this old handpiece, fold it down, and fold this straight again. And then next, just fold out the feet. Sorry if you didn't really see that well. Let's stand them up. Now, next thing you need to do, yeah, his wingspan pretty long, and the wings kind of get in the way. So you kind of need to make him do splits a little bit and just fold around the chest piece, the chest area like that. And then next is just unpeg the arms from this red peg. Just fold them down. First you need to fold the wings up and not try to break them. Again, this guy is a little bit fiddly, but I think it's worth it in the end. So hold that down, kind of position these pieces like that. Kind of fold the wings side like that, and then just fold them down. Just give the chest piece in place, fold these tan pieces up, then just position the hands again. And I like to just fold this piece down and just kind of make him look like a jetpack. Just fold up the head and then just reattach the mask. And there we have Windstorm in his new and improved robot mode. And if you've seen the old Windstorm, you can just see that this guy is a definite improvement. It was too finicky, lanky. Sorry for that, I just bumped my camera. He actually has a really good height. He's probably the same height as Blue Streak. And he just looks much more finished. Like Blue Streak, now he has these custom upper arms. His little bit of custom legs too, from just this section right here that helps with transformation. Again, color scheme is the same, but he just looks much more complete. It's much more compact. Like, the wings are now fortunately on his back instead of tucked in his armor chest piece, which was really annoying to get hold of. So yeah, that's basically it. Well, posability, same amount, except for probably this rotation right here. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. As always, I am Bon with 360, asking you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.